Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Gramma in a Box unboxing for November, which has a Thanksgiving theme. Tells you everything that comes in the box. First project is Acorn Kisses. Then we have Goofy Turkey Buddies. And then we have Fall Cookies. There's also a Black Friday sale, November 27th. Get 13 boxes and 20% off. Cool. Use code BLACK2020 at checkout. Let's see all the little goodies. So she started putting the icing in a bigger bag like that, which is nice. So we have yellow, orange, and brown. We have our melting chocolates, which we'll use for the first and second project. Pretzel rods, Hershey Kisses, some little mini wafers, some chocolate chips, some leaf cookies, acorns, turkeys, very cute. There's a bunch of sprinkles that, again, she shrink wrapped in here so they wouldn't come undone. Some candy corn, and then one that did come undone. It looks like there's some eyes, maybe some chocolate covered sunflower seeds, it looks like. So those are in the box, which we'll fully dig out later. And then some paper to put all your projects on. So let's get to making our treats. So for the first project, I melted the chocolate, and you're going to put the smallest amount on the underside of the cookie and stick a Hershey Kiss to it so it looks like an acorn. Then you put a really tiny little dab on the top and then put one of the chocolate chips and set it aside so they dry. Then with the leftover chocolate, you're going to dip your pretzel stick in there. You kind of need a decent amount of chocolate for that. And then you're going to press the candy corn, 3 or 4 of them, onto the top, and then add the eyeballs and the nose. And those are super cute. Our pretzels were all snapped in half, but I think they look cuter. Little tiny mini versions of them. And then we have our cookie decorating. So I was doing an acorn, and Jackson told me, your cookies always look so much better than mine. And I said, well, I always try to outline mine, and the kids, both of them, just spray the icing everywhere. They don't try to make a design, and I've been trying to get them for years to try to design it, but Jackson's a boy, so I feel like he's not as interested, but he did give it a try. You'll see it in the background here in a moment. Raylan likes to put the sprinkles on plain cookies, and then she tried spraying icing on the one I already did. She's so silly. But here's how the pretzel sticks turned out. A couple little cute turkeys, and then our acorns, and then Jackson's doing a good job trying to outline and actually make a design on his. And Raylan putting the sprinkles everywhere. And here's what our finished treats look like. As always, they love this subscription. It's a hit for kids, and they love it. So make sure you check out their Black Friday sale if you're interested. You get a baker's dozen and a discount. So check it out. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.